Everybody, welcome back to the Lonely Homestead. Just had to run out to the garden and get some more okra because I'm running a little short. I thought I had enough for 7 jars, but doesn't look like it. So, okra seems to do really good out here in the high desert, and people really seem to want to buy it from me. Pickled okra, they love it. So that's what I'm doing right now, is preserving the harvest by pickling some okra. And looks like when I get enough, I'll just use that jar to make a refrigerated version. These I'm going to can. So we're cold packing them, and then we'll pour a hot brine in there, and then they go in the water bath canner for about 10 minutes, and they should be good. But let's see if I could use up all this okra. I'm happy to say the okra's from the garden, my garden. The garlic came out of the garden, and almost forgot it. Fresh dill. I just trimmed this out of the garden. So I'm gonna put some dill. Oh, it smells so good. I love dill. Try and get some of this in each one. And just barely gonna have enough here. Should be good to add a little flavor. Get that tucked in there. Then got our little funnel, and we start putting in the hot brine. Well, I got these packed tight. They don't want to move. And they make better funnels than this. I should buy one. And hopefully I made enough brine. It doesn't look like it. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to make some more. Boy. That's it. I usually let it bubble a little while so the air comes out of it. And then you wipe the rim with some vinegar, clean it off with a paper towel, and you can slap the lid on and it goes right into the canner. So, boy, I thought I had more brine than this going. Must have let it boil too long. Something. I need about double what I made. Well, almost double. This is it. Excuse the rest of the mess. But if you're living in the high desert and you're growing food, okra seems to do really good. It kind of wilts during the day when it's really, really hot. But maybe if you water, I've been watering at night. Maybe if you water in the morning, it'll do better through the day and into the evening. But it's a prolific producer I mean, you get all kinds of food. I'm thinking about starting another row right now and have it. I should be able to harvest it in the fall. So it's good plant, and it makes good pickles. Try it out. That's it for now. Adios. God bless.